Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. So recently I bought a load of makeup to test out, and one of the things I bought was this Beautybay Bright palette. So today I thought I would just sit down, play around with some colours and see what happens, and I ended up creating this look right here, which I think was really fun and exciting and kind of reminds me of peach sangria. So if you want to end up looking like a cocktail just like me, then please keep watching. So today we're going to be using the Beautybay Bright palette. This is what it looks like inside. This was £10, which I was completely shocked at. But they look really, really bright and pigmented, and I've seen a few people try out some Beautybay shadows and they seem to be really good, so I'm excited to test them out today. So right before we get into the eyes, I'm quickly going to prime my face using the Keihl's Micro Blur Skin Perfector. It's a little bit like the Professional. Because it's silicone based, it doesn't really mesh well with a lot of my foundations, but I'm going to try it out with the new Makiage foundation, which if you haven't yet seen my review on that, you should go and check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box, but I tested that out with the Wonder Glow because that's what I normally use, so I'd like to see what this one looks like. This stuff definitely does like completely, I don't know how well you can see this on camera, but it completely like mattifies and smooths out your skin. Like my skin looks so smooth right now. Can you guys see my dodgy tan? I woke up and I was a bit like, oh, shouldn't have done that. I've been using those face drops. I tend to use them once every 2 days, but sometimes that's a bit much, so yeah, I'm gonna have to exfoliate my face tonight. So first I'm gonna prime my eyes using my Stay Naked concealer from Decay. Oh, it's really raining outside. This is the second time I've done this where I've done my eyes and I thought, should I do my eyebrows first? Yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. I love the rain, I don't know why, I'm really weird. So I'm just gonna set my eyes using my Fenty Beauty, and then I'm gonna quickly go and do my eyebrows off camera. Okay, so I know I'm looking a little bit crazy right now, but we're just gonna power through and all will be fine once my base is done. I promise. So to start, I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics shader brush and I'm gonna go into Hello Sunshine and just pack that onto my lid. So it is pretty pigmented, but I think I probably needed a tackier base. I set my concealer with a little bit of my Fenty Beauty powder, which I don't think has helped. I'm just gonna pop the tiniest bit of concealer onto my lid and see if that helps. Okay, yeah, so it's definitely coming out more pigmented with a tackier base. Next I'm going to take the colour Hot Stuff on a BH Cosmetics fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply that all in my crease. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of wiping away where the yellow was. The shade definitely looks a lot more red in the pan than it is on my eye. Looks a bit more pink. See if it does the same to this eye. So the yellow shadow isn't doing the same thing on this eye, and this one I set with my concealer and it's not doing that same thing where it's kind of wiping it away. So I think at least for the yellow you definitely need a tacky base. Taking my Morphe M433, I'm going to take the colour Make Them Wink, and I'm just going to apply that into my crease as well. back into my fluffy brush to blend it all out. I actually have some little eye sticker thingies that I want to try out for doing my eyeliner, so I'm just quickly going to wipe off the excess. Okay, I'm just going to cut one of these in half because I don't need it to go under my whole eye. I am really bad for not only not being able to get a straight line with my eyeliner, but also I always have one that goes like this way and one that goes that way. Very annoying. Why is my tea always gold? I'm just gonna go back over the yellow a little bit. And then taking my Sigma E30 pencil brush, I'm going to use orange soda on my lower lash line. So for liner, I got this mini tattoo liner by KVD Beauty, and I never used the tattoo liner before, so I'm excited to try it out. I think that is the most even I've ever done an eyeliner in my life. Let's just hope these saved me. I'm not mad at it. I'm just going to use my smudger brush and go back into orange soda and buff out that lower lash line a little bit more. I feel like a glass of sangria. And now I'm going to curl my eyelashes with my new Lilly Lashes eyelash curler. This is amazing. Okay, I'm going to prime my lashes using the Benefit They're Real Tinted Primer. Next, going in with my Buxom Mascara. And for lashes, I'm going to try out these Revolution Wispy lashes. They're in the style Floss. They're really soft. They come with a glue, but I'm going to use my Duo Lash Glue. Okay, so quickly going to whiz through my face. I will list all the products I use down below. Unfortunately, my camera ran out of storage and it just switched off, but all you missed was I highlighted under my eyes with my YSL Touche Éclat, did my liquid bronzer and my cream blush by Nars, and then I powdered my face under my eyes and my chin using the Airbrush Flawless Finish, and then the rest of my face with the Laura Mercier Glow Powder. I was just about to go into bronze with my Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Bronze and Glow. Go over that blush quickly with a little bit of Coralista by Benefit because it's slightly more peachy. So guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Kind of reminds me a little bit of peach sangria. So despite the rainy weather outside, I feel very summery on my face. So final thoughts on this palette. I think for £10 this is a great palette. I do think you have to work a little bit to get particularly the lighter shades to show up. So the yellow was very patchy unless I used a tacky base. So as long as you kind of work with the colors, I think it's fine. I mean, obviously they came out very pigmented, so you can't really complain for the price, and I'm very happy with how it turned out overall. I am literally the queen of browns and neutrals. Like, I'd never ever go colourful, so this is way out of my comfort zone, but I'm enjoying it. I think it looks really nice. I love the pop of yellow on the lid, and I have to say those little eye patch things worked wonders for my eyeliner, so I will definitely be using them again. They were really cheap, I just got them off of Amazon. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up because it really helps me out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Next I'm going to take fluffy brush to blah blah blah.